Let's in the meantime speak of this arrest and sensational developments that have now come across in the case of gold smuggling. Times now accessing actor Rania Rao's arrest memo that has revealed startling details. Authorities revealed that Rania was caught with over 14 kgs of gold bars that were concealed in ways that were wrapped around her waist, around her calf, and they were hidden in her shoe and pockets as well. Now the DRI, or the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, intercepted her as based on intel inputs that led to her arrest, because there was growing suspicion over multiple trips to Dubai in a short span of time. And the latest development also sheds new light on the extent of the smuggling operation that was carried out. Let's get in a word from Neha, who is connected with us. Neha, good morning. Sensational details that are now being revealed as far as the 6-page explosive arrest memo that has now come of the actor Rania Rao in the gold smuggling operation.
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, a 6-page arrest memo that we've managed to access there that talks about not only how Rania Rao had hidden the gold or strapped the gold on her body, but also, in fact, further talks about the grounds for her arrest, why the DRI was given good enough reason to, in fact, believe that this could have been a larger smuggling racket. Also, remember, in fact, in that particular arrest memo that we've accessed, it really goes on to talk about how she had strapped the gold to her thighs, to her calf muscles as well, using crepe bandage. Secondly, of course, it's also talking about why they were given suspicion to believe that this could be a part of a larger racket was her frequent travels to Dubai. In fact, that's something, of course, that was noticed on her passport. Third, also now, given the fact that, this was done, the DRI there even said that the quantum of the gold that was, seized from her, customs duty for the same wasn't paid. And all of these reasons now, in fact, put together is what gave them reasonable reason to arrest her. Remember, it was at about 4 p.m. that we saw a senior officer there of the DRI, in fact, arresting her in the DRI office after she was taken into custody. A bigger question, even as the Karnataka government also now has ordered 2 probes into this, all of these details possibly would be forming a part of the investigation.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for the details. Explosive revelations that have been made on part of the DRI as far as this arrest memo is also concerned, which had actually led to what Rania Rao has been now labelled as a mastermind of this smuggling operation. Well, with that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.